What's up, hoodies? How y'all doing? How's your morning? I hope everybody is doing well today. I hope your morning is going great for you. This is your girl Tanya with the Hood Tables, and welcome to the Hood Table one more again. Now, this is just a glimpse of some of the packages that I've been receiving for my housewarming. You guys know I have bought me a house recently, and we are on week 2 in the new crib. And I'm having my official in-person housewarming party on the 9th, which is Saturday. But for those of you who live out of town and who wanted to purchase something for me in honor of the new home that I bought, I had a housewarming registry on Amazon. And so this is some of the stuff that I've been receiving from Amazon from you guys. And I just want to say I appreciate you so much. I can't wait till Friday. The night before my actual housewarming, I'm going to go live and do a live unboxing for the people who sent me stuff from out of town. So Friday, 8 p.m., before we have our Friday night live, I am going to do an unboxing. So these are some of the gifts that will be unboxed. See my little light there that I'll be using for my videos. This is my office, by the way. I just bought this rug because my office is going to be like a teal green, ocean kind of green bluish. That's the colors that I'm going to have in my office. So I bought this rug for that purpose. I love this color. You can't see it really, really well, but it is like a teal turquoise green. But again, yes, these are some of the packages. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This white package got like 3 gifts in there. Then there's some packages down there. Another box under there. So these are the gifts from you guys, from my supporters, and I really, really, truly appreciate it. I know some of you don't have to do what you do. For some of us YouTubers, and what you do, we greatly appreciate it. At least most of us YouTubers really, truly, honestly, greatly appreciate whatever you do, even if it's giving a small cash app or super chat, or, sending something to some of us guys, who might be celebrating something big in our lives that, we think is something big and major in our lives. And this for me is something major, to own my own home. So I am so still excited. Again, I'm in my office and I am working this morning, but I am still getting through some things. We got boxes still around the house. Not a lot of boxes, but some boxes in the basement and a few boxes up here in my office that I have to get through, like pictures to put on walls and, things like that. But other than that, we are coming along pretty good to be in the house on the second week. Pretty much everything is where it should be in its rightful place. But again, yes, back to the housewarming. Friday night, 8 o'clock, I will be unboxing these. So the people who bought me these gifts, some of you have hit me up on IG. Some of you put a note in the package that said who it came from. But some of these, I don't know where they came from. I don't know who bought them. So if you sent me a gift, please hit me up on IG. I'm under the Hood Table, the same as my YouTube name. The Hood Table on IG. Just send me a message. Tell me what you bought. Tell me your name, your YouTube name, so I can make sure I shout you out and properly tell you how much I appreciate your gift, to thank you properly and everything like that. For anybody else who still might be wanting to find out how you can send me something for my housewarming gift, if you want, I will post a link. I'll pin it to the top in the comment sections. I'll post it also in the description box of this video. It's on Amazon, so the link will take you right to my Amazon housewarming registry, and you can purchase something from there if you like, or you can just donate to the Cash App. The Hood Table 402 is our Cash App. But again, I will put the Amazon link in the description box and post it or pin it to the top of the comment section under this video. Now, gotta get back to work, y'all. I'm on my little break here. I got a 12-hour shift. I'm doing 12s all week, except for Friday. Friday is a regular 9 to 5 or whatever. I start earlier than that, but y'all know what I mean. It's a normal day, but Monday through Thursday this week, I'm doing 12-hour shifts. So on that note, everybody, thanks again for all you do for the Hood Table. I appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Please and thank you so much. And again, I'll see you 8 o'clock Friday to do the live unboxing these packages. And by the way, also, I think our girl, Samantha, who started off as my co-host on the Hood Table when we started like 2.5 years ago, the Hood Table, she will, I do believe, be with me Friday night to do the unboxing with me. So hopefully she'll be able to get up here. Matter of fact, we're right down the street from each other now. We didn't stay that far from each other before, but I'm literally right down the street from her now. I said, girl, I'll be walking over your house in the summer. But yeah, so yeah, hopefully she'll be with us, grace our panel, grace our show, because a lot of y'all haven't seen her in a very long time, and that's my girl, Samantha. But yes, anyway, back to work I go. I will see you guys Friday. Have a wonderful, blessed week. If something pops off before then in trending news or something that I think I want to speak about, or a TV show, I will definitely come live before then. But other than that, I'm doing 12s all week again till Friday, so your girl's putting in some work. Gotta keep this house, y'all. Gotta keep this house. I just bought me a house and gotta pay the mortgage now. No more rent. Gotta pay the mortgage. And on that note, stay safe, be blessed, remain vigilant at all times, and always remember to keep it hood. Bye.